In this video, we will learn about revenue configuration. First, we'll go to the configuration section and click on revenue configuration. When the interface opens, we'll see the revenue configuration manage screen. Any revenue charges we configure will be shown in a table here. The purpose of this form is to configure revenue charges. These charges will be applied phase-wise and will occur monthly, yearly, or quarterly for the members of the selected phase. These charges will automatically apply based on the duration for the members of the chosen phase. To add a new revenue charge, click on the Add Revenue button. The form that appears will have this type of interface. In the first field, we'll see phase name where we select the phase, followed by selecting the revenue head and entering the amount. Next, we choose the duration and select then effective date. The charges will apply from the selected effective date to the specific phase chosen. Then, we select the status, indicating whether to keep this revenue charge active or inactive. To submit the form, click on the Save button. Once submitted, the revenue charges will be added to the table on the Manage screen, displaying 8 columns: serial number, phase name, revenue head, amount, effective date, duration, status, and action. If we wish to delete or edit a revenue charge, we can do so using the buttons provided in the Action column. If the status is set to inactive, the revenue charges will be added but will not be displayed elsewhere in the system.